Your name and badge number, please.
Okay, listen.
Your name and badge number, please.
We're not going to play this game if you...
Excuse me.
What is your name?
Excuse me.
No!
I'm talking to
I already told you mine. I'm the lead officer.
Excuse me.
No, you're really teetering on the edge right now.
Can I have a supervisor here, please?
What is your name?
Can you please?
You can have supervisor when we're done with our investigation. What is your name?
Excuse me.
What is your name?
Excuse me.
Talk or what?
I don't answer questions.
Okay,
please don't come on my property.
Well, I'm here for a call, so I'm going to.
No, you don't have a right to be on my property.
I sure do. I got a 911 phone call.
That's fine. Your name and badge number?
1171.
Your name?
Pardee, P-A-R-D-E-E.
Okay, Officer Pardee.
Could you just explain to me what's going on your side of the story?
There's no side of no story.
I'll just go talk to them and see.
Okay, thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Sir, I'm talking to her right now.
That's fine.
No,
go ahead. Go ahead.
Nope, you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
No, I'm in a public space.
No, go over there. I'm talking to her on
Sir,
her property.
I'm in a public space.
Go over there. You're interfering with my investigation. Go over
I am
there.
not interfering with anything.
Then we can play this game.
Sir, no, I am not.
I understand that you're trying to work around the law. It's called hindering and opposing. You're interfering with my communication.
I'm in the middle of the road.
Back up. Back up. You're not going to film us while I'm talking to her privately.
I certainly am. It's my constitutional right to do so.
The way he's sitting right now. You ready to talk yet or what?
I don't answer questions.
Well, you're about to. What's your name? I'm
I don't
here
answer
for
questions.
a 911 phone call. I understand.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
I am.
You absolutely are.
We're
here for a phone call.
Your name and badge number, please.
Okay, listen.
Your name and badge number,
please. We're not going to play
please.
this game if you...
Excuse me.
What is your name?
Excuse me.
No!
I'm talking to
I already
officer
told
here.
you mine. I'm the lead officer.
Excuse me.
No, you're really teetering on the edge right now.
Can I have a supervisor here, please?
What is your name?
Can you please?
You can have supervisor when we're done with our investigation. What is your name?
Excuse me.
What is your name?
Excuse me.
What is your name? What is your name?
You have no lawful reason to ask me.
I do.
For
we're
my
on
name.
a 911 phone call that you've been filming all these people going on their property. Right?
Is that against the law?
Going on other people's property? Absolutely.
I haven't gone on anybody's property.
You're going to really play this game right now. What is your name?
Can you get a supervisor here, please?
We'll get a supervisor here when
Please.
this is
Get a supervisor here?
Nope,
No,
we're going to handle this right now.
Let's de-escalate this a little bit.
That's what I'm trying
I've
to do.
stayed on
I'm
my
trying
own
to get your
property.
side
I've
of the
stayed on my
story.
own property.
If you just give me your side of the story and it's legit, I'll say have a nice day. What is your side of the story? That's what I'm trying to get.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so how are you going to prove
Am I being
that
detained?
You're not doing anything?
Am I
I'm not
being
gonna answer this
detained?
question 100 times.
Am I being
I've already told you
detained?
yes, right now you're not
Am I free to go?
No.
I'm not free to go.
Absolutely
On
not.
what charges?
Can you stay
On what
with him?
charges?
Yep. We're investigating. That's called an investigative detainment.
Sir, on what charges am I being detained?
It's an investigative detainment.
No, there's no such thing. Yep. You have to have articulable suspicion of a crime that has been committed. What crime has been committed? Trespassing on what ground?
No, tell us what's going on so we can help you.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, well then this is going to be a lot more difficult for you than you want.
It's not going to be difficult for me. I've done nothing wrong. You're being live streamed on YouTube right now, by the way.
That's great.
Okay. Say no. Can you call your supervisor?
Nope.
No, you won't call your supervisor.
Nope, we can handle this right here. What's going to change when my supervisor gets out here and tells you the same thing?
He's going to educate you.
Educate me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Call your supervisor before you make a mistake.
Okay.
Sir, you haven't been doing this that long. obviously. Call your supervisor. He knows. He's talked to me before.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'll ask you one last time to please step off my property.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen, bud.
It's not going to happen.
Nope. You're
For what reason? I'm detained for...
Well, right now you're being disorderly. We've got multiple people out here looking at you.
Disorderly? For what reason?
Because you got multiple people out here looking at you.
I've done
You're
nothing
causing a
wrong.
disturbance. You're sitting here.
I'm on my own
people,
property
making them
being
uncomfortable.
quiet. I haven't said anything to anybody.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No, it's okay. So you're on my property without a warrant. You're on my property without a lawful complaint. And I'm somehow detained. I'm not in cuffs, but somehow I'm detained for something that nobody can articulate at this point by the Battle Creek Police. I've been harassed all evening by my neighbors.
All right, Mr.
I bring out a
Gary,
camera,
can I
and
explain
all
to
of a
you
sudden...
before we leave?
No, don't explain anything to me. Just
No.
leave my property.
No, I'm going to explain it to you.
Don't.
Contrary to what you believe, you're not in charge right now. So, with
You're
that-
dismissed.
Oh, am I?
Goodbye.